Hi friends, today discuss about economics of education. Economics of education, one of the youngest branches of economics, probes various sources of educational finance, cost effectiveness, direction of development, and similar issues. Economics of education was first coined by Theodore W. Schultz in 1960. In 1965, the World Yearbook on Education carried an article on economics of education, giving the subject legitimacy and recognition. Adam Smith, the author of Wealth of Nations, was the first to recognize the relationship between economics and education. Meaning of economics of education. Education seeks the help of economics to achieve national development in all fields of national life and all spheres of national development, including economic prosperity and national security. Scope of economics of education. The scope of economics of education is as follows. It studies education as a human capital, estimating the rate of return from educational investment, synchronizing the education system with the social system, redistribution of resources and rearrangement of priorities, improving the techniques of educational planning and management. Education as a human capital. Development and formation of human capital involve costs. The cost of skilled human resources are incrementally to the natural product. Expenditure on human resources not only increases and the national product but also the national wealth. Life cycle of human capital. The growth and decline of human capital can be categorized under three divisions: gestation period, productive period, and survival period. Characteristics of human capital. Comparatively, human capital has a longer gestation period than non-human capital. No two human capital units are similar. Social and cultural environments influence the productivity of human capital. Human capital has non-economic attributes too. Impact of economics on education. Aims of education, importance of education, education as an investment, education guarantees economic security, education and economic status, education and economic prosperity. Next, education human resource development. Role of education in human resource development. Universalization of elementary education, equalization of educational opportunities, special focus on educationally backward communities, encourage girls and women education, to eradicate gender gaps, to extend adult and non-formal programs, implementing the vocationalization of education, to strengthen the technical education, to encourage public awareness programs, more allocation of budget in education, to develop value-based education, to develop national integration and international understanding, reduce unemployment.